Let's fix your audio the right way. Let's start with the manual method using Device Manager. This gives you full control and guarantees clean installation. Right-click on your Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Scroll down and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your current audio device and select Uninstall Device. Check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device, then click Uninstall. Once uninstalled, go to the top and click Action. Scan for hardware changes. This forces Windows to detect your sound card and reinstall a basic audio driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From here, select High Definition Audio Device, Microsoft, and click Next. Finally, restart your PC to apply the new settings. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe.